Today we're going to be installing a 50 amp breaker for that oven there. Currently it's on a 30 amp, which is too small for this oven. And that means we're also going to have to run new wire, new thicker wire. We're going to use 6-3 instead of the 10-3 that was there. Here's our new breaker. It's a type UBIP circuit breaker, 50 amp push type, because it's going into a Bulldog panel. This thing's from like the 1960s or 70s, but they still make them. Here's the wire that we're putting in, the 6-3. It's thicker than what's there, and it can handle the 50 amps. If we left it with the 10, those wires could burn up, and that's not good. So we're going to put this 6-3 in after we pull out the old wire. Here's our panel. You can see where it says cooktop. That's the one that we're going to be replacing, because it used to just be a cooktop, but now we got an oven. So we're going to take that one out because it's too small for our oven. Once the power's off, we're going to go ahead and pull the old existing wire out, and we're going to have to remove all the staples. It's stapled to the wall to keep it in place. They don't put the staples through the wire, it just holds the wire. You don't want to be putting staples through the holes, through the wire. And here's our new wire once we pulled out that old wire. And we're going to have to staple this. See how that staple isn't going through the wire, it's just holding it? Yep, we're just going to tack that in and bring it to here. Those two, that top breaker there, that always has power. It's coming in from the outside. So even if you push that breaker off, it's still going to have power. I know because I felt it hit my ring. But I also checked it with a voltmeter, and that's what you should do. If you're not comfortable doing all this, you should get an electrician or someone who knows what they're doing. And there's the old breaker after we pulled it out. You can see there that it's the 30 amp breaker. And those contacts in there are bus stab contacts for the Bulldog panel. The new one has those too, and they make contact with the bus. There's the new breaker. Once we took that old one out, we put that one in and made sure that those contacts were in there and tightened it up. And there it is. We wired it up, and then we wired the oven plug to this. That way you have something to plug your oven plug into. And that's it.